Good morning, dear students. Today we will talk on gene therapy, part 6, non-viral vectors. In previous lectures, we have studied about various type of non-viral vectors. Today we will talk on Sleeping Beauty transposition system. The Sleeping Beauty transposition system is a non-viral method of gene therapy. So this is a non-viral method of gene transfer which offers the advantage of stable DNA integration into the chromosomes of vertebrates. The Sleeping Beauty transposition system consists of a Sleeping Beauty transposon and a Sleeping Beauty transposase. The SB transposon consists of two terminal inverted repeats present each at the ends of the gene of interest, and the SB transposase mediates excision of the SB transposon and its integration into the a site of chromosome having a dinucleotide dimer TA by the cut and paste mechanism. So this is the diagrammatical representation of transposon, how the DNA site 1 and DNA site 2 interact, and with the help of TXP gene it's incorporated into the other DNA molecules. So this figure represents the cut and paste mechanism of DNA transposon by a transposase TXP gene. So first of all, we have to understand what is Sleeping Beauty transposition and what is Sleeping Beauty. So transposable elements TEs are repetitive sequence that are component of nearly all genomes. Approximately 50% of the human genome is derived from TEs. TEs means transposable elements. The vast majority of transposable elements accumulate in activating mutations over evolutionary time to give rise to fraction of the genome that is often called junk DNA. Recently, few studies have suggested that the portion of the inactive mass is going through a recycling gain of function process. In attempt to turn the junk into a jewel, a reverse engineering approach was applied to eliminate the accumulate mutations of TC1 family transposons in face genome, which resulted in a synthetic transposon system known as Sleeping Beauty. So this is how Sleeping Beauty now the Sleeping Beauty not only re- represents the first DNA based transposable elements TE ever shown to be active in vertebrates. But the first functional gene ever reconstructed from an inactive ancient genetic material for which an active naturally occurring copy either does not exist or has not yet been isolated. Currently, the hyperactive version of Sleeping Beauty is one of the most active transposon in vertebrates. Sleeping Beauty gave an opportunity to understand several aspects of transposon regulation. It is assumed that unlike virus, transposon elements and the host have co-evolved in a way that permits propagation of the transposon but minimize damage to the host. The SB system is an excellent tool to model horizontal gene transfer or the establishment of a complex interaction network between a vertebrate host and a transposon. The accumulated knowledge of the transposon biology was also applied to establish a transposon-based technology platform for genome engineering in vertebrate species, including cancer research, gene annotation, vertebrate transgenesis, or gene therapy. So this is diagrammatic representation how the gene therapy transposon gene is replaced by the gene of interest and transposes is provided in trans as shown in this figure. It is the mechanism of gene transfer by the Sleeping Beauty transposition. So Sleeping Beauty transposition or Sleeping Beauty transposons. Sleeping Beauty belongs to the TC1 Mariner superfamily of DNA transposon comprising a transposase gene flanked by inverted repeats. In short, these called IRS, containing recognition sequence for transposase binding. Transposase of the TC1 Mariner superfamily, the bacterial insertion sequence IS, elements, retroviral integrase, and the other type of recombinase contain an evolutionary and functionally conserved catalytic domain having a DDE and D, which is known as ASP or GLU amino acid motifs. DDE recombinase catalyze a remarkably similar over chemistry of DNA recombination. Each IR unit of these elements is 200 to 250 base pair in length and possesses two transposase binding sites known as direct repeats that are 50 to 20 base pair in length. The left IR is not identical to the right IR, as the former contains as extra half direct repeats HDR of the transposable binding site acting as a transpositional enhancer and untranslated regions UTR regions which appears to regulate transposition transcriptionally. So this is the how Sleeping Beauty transposon consists of. So structure of Sleeping Beauty transposase. So what is the structure of transposase or transposons? So in this structure, the SB transposase contains N-terminal DNA binding domain, a nuclear localizing signal NLS, which is represent in this figure. This is the structure of Sleeping Beauty transposon. So the transposase contains N-terminal DNA binding domain DBD, a nuclear localizing signal NLS involved in nuclear transport, and C-terminal catalytic domain DDE involved in the DNA cleavage and strand transfer reaction. The bipartite consists of two subdomains, namely PAI pi and RED red. Pi plus red is equal to pi red, connected by a linker, and show similarity to the paired domain of PAX transcription factor family. Both the pi and red subdomains are predicted to possess the 3 alpha helix, which is represented by each domain. This is alpha helix 1, alpha helix 2, alpha helix 3, or in red domain alpha helix 1, alpha helix 2, alpha helix 3. So each consists at least 3 alpha helix, 2 of which form a helix turn helix HTH, found in many DNA binding proteins similarity to other DDE recombinase. The catalytic domain is predicted to have an rRNase H-like Despite multiple attempts over the last decade, the crystal structure of the full-length SB transposes remains unknown. Alternatively, successful studies have been reported on solving the structure of functional domains separately. The closest structure of SBI is MOS1. MOS1 is a Mariner family transposes that similarity to be Sleeping Beauty belongs to the TC1 Mariner superfamily, which is represented in figure 2b over here. So this is the diagrammatical representation of Sleeping Beauty transposon and their catalytic domain and pi domain or DNA binding domain. Further, pi domain are categorized in a different amino acid position residue involving in DNA binding. So come to the mechanism of the domain. So this segment represents how the sibling transposition mechanism work. During non-replicative cut and paste transposition SB, the transposes first bind to its recognition sequence, that is DR, of the transposon during synaptic complex formation. First, it forms a synaptic complex formation. Then, the two transposon ends are brought together. The transposon is liberated by excision and the excised molecule is mobilized between the donor and the reintegration loci. The transposes act as at least as a tetramer. Excision leaves a footprint, which is approximately 3 base pair, at a donor site, while integration result in integrate site duplication. So this mechanism, first there is a two molecule, first is expression and second is binding site. So first step is mobilizing of the transposes complex. First it form a complex formation. This complex formation includes transposes, few enzymes and 4 SB molecules. Then second step is excision. So from the molecule, the transposes complex were cut down and incorporated into the TA molecule, and this transposes connect with a TA molecule and its duplicate over here and represent as a two TA molecules left or right. In between two TA molecules, the transposes exist. So this is how the mechanism of Sleeping Beauty transposition. The DNA binding domain. In DNA binding domain, so the NMR structure represents the pi domain, confirms previous prediction in that it possesses 3 alpha helix 1, alpha helix 2, alpha helix 3, which is alpha helix 1 12 to 22 amino acids, alpha helix 2 29 to 23 amino acid, alpha helix 3 39 to 55 amino acid. Although the structure of a pi domain or DNA substrate complex is currently unknown, the residue involved in DNA binding were identified to be in the second alpha helix connecting THT loop and the third alpha helix residue 28 to 29, 31, 33, 36, 38, 43 and 47. The pi domain binds to the DR core sequence located within the inner and outer DRS, which is represented in the figure. Upon comparison of SB pi domain with the other DVDs of the related TC1 Mariner family members, that is TC3 and MOS1, the main difference are observed in the length or relative orientation of the alpha helix. Another example, as PAX5 has a highest amino acid sequence similarity to the SB pi than TC3 or MOS1. We superimposed PAX5 and SB pi structure. The pi domain of SB differs from PAX5 with respect of helix 2. In spite of high similarity at sequence level, and this could be attributed to the simple fact that the structure of SBC's pi are obtained without DNA, whereas the structure of pi X were deciphered in complex with DNA. So this is how the DNA binding domain structure and work. So transposon host interaction, how this transposon interact with host. SB is a synthetic transposon mimicking an ancestral element that was highly successful in the genome of various fish species more than 10 million years ago. Inactive SB-like elements are widespread in various fish species, are also present in certain amphibian species, but never colonized other vertebrates. Thus, no SB-like sequence are present in mammals, including humans. In fact, the human genome consists of around 3% inactive DNA transposons. The most closely related sequence to SB are human mariner elements belonging to the same TC1 mariner superfamily of transposon. While no active DNA transposon is present in the human genome, certain copies have been recycled in a domestication process and gained a novel cellular function. For example, specific mariner loci gave rise to microRNA, that is also called miRNA genes, and 5 piggyback derived elements PGBD1 to 5 are under the selection, presumably to perform novel yet to be characterized cellular activity. The SB transposon is highly specific with respect to the sequence that is can mobilize and does not cross mobilize related TDR1 elements in the zebrafish genome. PGBD5 has been reported to be capable of mobilizing the insect-derived gene transfer tool. So this is how the transposon host interaction in various species. I hope this video helped to understand the Sleeping Beauty mechanism, their structure, their mechanism of working, and their composition. Thank you.